But you need to hit the right areas, right lines, right lines, right lengths is what you require from ball one. If you keep hitting the right areas, you need to persist with tight lines and lengths. It's gonna pay you rich dividends, and we have seen that over the past couple of games in the tournament. And now, Royal Goodwood disperse it out. I got Nazir in the comment box and Gayur Habib to entertain you further. And tune in to the JK Sports Time to catch us live with inning number 2 here at the center. Nazir, your comments. 155 is the target.
धन्यवाद मुनव्वर और स्वागत करना चाहेंगे दूसरी पारी में सभी श्रोताओं का। और ऐसे में देखना होगा यहाँ इस दूसरे पारी में जो लक्ष्य है वो किस प्रकार से रहने वाला है, क्योंकि
Well, it's 155 is the it's 155 is the target for Srinagar Sultans. Nazir,
जी बिल्कुल। और जिस प्रकार से श्रीनगर सुल्तान को 155 का लक्ष्य मिला है, हालांकि इस विकेट की बात करें लक्ष्य उतना ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं है, लेकिन परिस्थितियों के हिसाब से देखा जाए तो आसान परिस्थितियां रहने वाली नहीं है। सुखी और फैजान मुख्तार ये प्रारंभिक जोड़ी इस समय श्रीनगर सुल्तान की ओर से। आसिफ रसूल अब प्रारंभ करेंगे गेंदबाजी, तो क्रिकेट का घमासान दूसरी पारी में प्रारंभ होने जा रहा है।
Welcome back for the chase. And we will be back shortly. There is some technical issues and we will be back just after some seconds. Till that, take care.
and a poetic expression from Nazir. Oh, look at the side level and look at the poetic scheme. And talking of that rhyme scheme, it was AA going on. Look at that one, it's a dot ball and should have been taken. Gayur, agree with your statement. Up front you needed a breakthrough, you needed an opening, a kind of an opening, but put down should have been taken. You can't offer too many drop chances here. It's 2 for none in over number 1. Halfway mark. Target is 155. Current rate is 4 and over. They require 7.85. Not a big concern. The asking rate. But you need a good start. You need a positive start. You need a good start. And it's 2 for none in over number 1.
अरे मनवर एक यहाँ पे अगर क्रिकेट की बात करें बड़ा बेहतर मुकाबला, लेकिन आपने 7.8 की जब बात की तो मेरे इस पूरे वजूद में एक थरथराहट सी देखी। वो ये देखते हुए कि वर्ष 2005 अथवा 2005 शायद जो भीषण भूकंप था, तो वो रेक्टर स्केल की जो स्थापित थी वो मेरे जहन में याद आ गई अचानक से। तो कहीं ना कहीं मुकाबला उस प्रकार का भी है क्योंकि दर्शक अच्छी खासी मात्रा में यहाँ उपलब्ध है। श्रीनगर सुल्तान 3 पहले ओवर में आसिफ रसूल गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं। फैजान मुख्तार है सामने, खाता खोलना है। सूखी नींद बनाई, 3-4 गेंदों का सामना किया और अगली गेंद आसिफ रसूल की इस बार अच्छी गेंद थी, खूबसूरत। आज भी अक्टूबर का महीना चल रहा है, सितंबर का चल रहा है क्षमा कीजिएगा, और आने वाले समय में देखा जाए। लेकिन यहाँ थोड़ा सा उससे हटके क्रिकेट की बात करें तो बड़ा मुकाबला, बेहतर मुकाबला। दूसरी पारी फैजान सामने और आसिफ रसूल गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं। ये गेंद इस बार फिर हवा में लहराई गेंद और उस पर पहुंचने का असफल प्रयास विकेट कीपर द्वारा। यह जीवन दान वाला सब कुछ घट रहा है यहाँ पर। मुकाबला निश्चित तौर पर संघर्षपूर्ण होने वाला है।
Got a feel for Asif Rasool. There are 2 wickets in the over and both the chances gone bagging. It was a catchable height, but the fielder was not ready to reach out. Second chance of the over gone bagging. Both the openers would have been back in the hut had the chances been taken. It's 3 for none after 1. But you gotta give credit to Srinagar Sultanas, the way they pulled things back in the second half when Nag was batting alongside Wahid Tali. They were taking game away from Srinagar Sultans, and the stage was set for that huge total. But the way they pulled things back, 18 runs and they got 8 wickets. That was a deadly collapse as far as Royal Goodwill is concerned. Now captain calls his man, his one-man army, the guy who lifted this team up. It's time for Ishtiaq Rasool to come in. In the bowling, in the batting, he did wonders. 81 from just 40 or some deliveries. But now it's time for him to shine with a ball in his hand. And what a find he is for this team, for any team. A captain looking for batting, they need Ishtiaq Rasool. When in bowling, they need Ishtiaq Rasool. That makes this man a great player. There is a difference between a good player and a great player. And Ishtiaq Rasool is a greatest player. And next ball wrapped in front of the pads. Empire Anmur, it was going down the leg. The angle was taking it down the leg side. No run there. It's a dot ball. Score stationary at 3. It's 3-4-9 in over number 2. We are talking about Ishtiaq Rasool's class. You need to give credit to this man. Beyond those bias, beyond those criticism, this guy is a great player in the Kashmir cricket. He is that quality player. And if not he, then who else stands near him?
देखिए इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं, मैं आपसे सहमत हूं, क्योंकि जिस प्रकार का उन्होंने प्रदर्शन किया है यहां स्ट्रोक बेहतर है और ये खाली क्षेत्र में गेंद सीमा रेखा से बाहर निकलती है। पहला चौका यहां और इस चौके के साथ रन संख्या 7 पर पहुंची। और बात इश्तियाक रसूल की, क्योंकि ये प्रदर्शन उनका गेंदबाजी कमाल की और परिस्थिति के अनुकूल, जब जब अवसर मिला, जब जब टीम को आवश्यकता रही, सफलता की उन्होंने दिलाई। बल्लेबाजी में अवसर मिला तो उन्होंने बल्लेबाजी की और ये चीज उनको बाकी खिलाड़ियों से महानता तौर पर अलग बनाती है। ये उनका अलग व्यवहार है, ये उनकी वो क्षमता है जो बाकी खिलाड़ियों से उनको अलग कर देती है। फिलहाल 7 रन बगैर नुकसान की 1.2 के बाद इस बार फिर स्ट्रोक ऑफ साइड में, वहां पर मिस फील्ड और नतीजा गेंद सीमा रेखा से बाहर। यहां चौका मिला सुखी को और सुखी पहुंच गए 11 पे। रन संख्या आप धीरे धीरे से, क्योंकि एक शुरुआत तेज तरार और जिस प्रकार का विकेट है, तेज गेंदबाजों को अभी तक कोई खास जो मदद नहीं मिली है। योगदान तो गेंदबाजों को देना होगा, विकेट प्राप्त कर रहे होंगे 11 1.3 के बाद, क्योंकि लक्ष्य 155 का। तो ऐसे में शुरुआत से ही गेंदबाजों पर दबाव बनाने का प्रयास सुखी और फैजान का। फैजान को खाता खोलना है, सुखी 11 7 के 2 से। इश्तियाक रसूल अगली गेंद 2 चौके अब तक लग चुके हैं और इस बार ये गेंद बढ़िया गेंद थी, हालांकि खेलना चाहते थे, वहां सफलता नहीं मिली। शरीर के पास गेंद लगी जरूर, वही पास में लुढ़की, फील्ड हुई, रन मिला नहीं। और ऐसे में देखा जाए, और देखिए इन परिस्थितियों में वो जो हाव भाव है, वो जो क्राउड है और वो जो हर्षोल्लास का वातावरण देखने को मिल रहा है, तो ऐसे में क्रिकेट एक बेहतरीन दिशा में चलता हुआ। और हमने जिक्र किया था कि इस प्रकार की प्रतियोगिता का आयोजन मैं समझता हूं पहली बार इस क्षेत्र में कश्मीर क्रिकेट के इतिहास में। यहां स्ट्रोक बढ़िया है, यहां गेंद सीमा पार है और स्कोर बोर्ड पे 4 है।
What a shot there. Little step out and pulled it to perfection. Nice connection there. And no one is going to stop that one, and it flies over the infield. Good looking shot. It was a hop tracker. But now is clueless at the moment because 2 of the chances gone begging of the bowling of Asif Rasool there. Here is Nag again, 15 on the board. Oh, look at that one, cracking shot, poised, and it's for boundary number third boundary of the over. And take a look again, what a shot, cracked, oh, wonderful timing. And look at that one, it races away, it's sped past, in the gap too, bisects that gap on upside. Oh, doesn't bother to keep it down, but it's well through that corridor. Runs 4 of them. Big over this. Oh, knock ball 1 over, none for 16. It's 19 for none after 2 overs.
पहले ओवर में 3, दूसरे ओवर में 16 ना क्या है, लेकिन यहाँ प्रभाव, यहाँ बल्लेबाज की प्रशंसा करनी होगी। शुरुआत से ही उन्होंने अटैक किया है गेंदबाजों पर। ये देखते हैं कि शुरुआत से ही दबाव बनाया जाए गेंदबाजों पर। सुखी 19 10 गेंद से, फैजान मुख्तार 0 पे हैं और पारी का तीसरा ओवर, आसिफ रसूल का दूसरा ओवर। पहले ओवर में 3 रन, पहली गेंद आसिफ रसूल की, इस बार अच्छी गेंद थी, स्टंप्स की ओर आ रही थी, खेला जरूर उसको, वह रन तो मिलेगा नहीं बल्लेबाज को। और संतुष्ट रहना पड़ेगा। 0 पे 2.1 ओवर की गेंदबाजी और 19 रन बनाई है। फैजान मुख्तार को अभी तक खाता खोलना बाकी है, लेकिन आसिफ रसूल एक बेहतरीन गेंदबाज है, उनके पास क्षमता है। इस बार फिर बढ़िया गेंद, अंदरूनी किनारा लगा था और वहां पे रन तो मिला नहीं बल्लेबाज को। और अब जाकर के नॉन स्ट्राइक की छोर से सुखी आए, फैजान से कुछ बातचीत की कि भैया संभल कर खेलिए, यहाँ हड़बड़ाहट की आवश्यकता नहीं है, यहाँ अतिरिक्त जोखिम उठाने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। श्रीनगर सुल्तान्स 19-2.2 के बाद तीसरा ओवर पारेगा 155 बनाने, 7.7 छोटे वर्तमान स्थिति में रिकॉर्ड रन रेट और करंट रन रेट 8.14। 19 ये गेंद और इस बार स्ट्रोक बढ़िया, लाजवाब, मिडल ऑफ द बैट से और गेंद बॉर्डर लाइन से बाहर। ये फैजान मुख्तार के बल्ले का चमत्कार है। ये 4 नहीं, ये 6 है, 5 गेंदों से 6 और रन संख्या को पहुंचा दिया 32 बगैर नुकसान के।
Well, take a look at that and have a say. Take a look. That was glorious hit. Oh, good delivery again. Battle line this time. Nice comeback. But that 6, that towering blow straight along off. A quality hit. And that means it's 24 on the board. We're in over number 3. And it was a party time back home a few days back. One of my colleagues, Umar Mustafa, got married. And these are the moments from that very area. And it's 25 without loss after 2.5. Well, you may go through this and I may focus on the game. And it's 24 on the board in over number 3. Asif Rasul 1.5. None for 9. Good shot. Oh, nobody is going to move. Look at that one. Glorious and fantabulous. Cover drive and a boundary here. Handy 4. In the gap again. Oh, look at that one. Wonderful shot. Hand is through that one. What a shot and what a connection. Sublime and gorgeous. Crispy. It's 29 for none.
यहाँ 2 खिलाड़ियों के बीच जो खाली इलाका था उसको चीरा है बल्लेबाज सुखी ने सबूते। और ये चौका कमाल का, लाजवाब और हस्ताक्षर किए गेंद पर अपने बल्ले से बल्लेबाज फैजान मुख्तार ने। 29 3 ओवर की गेंदबाजी 10। फैजान मुख्तार 8 गेंदों से, सुखी ने 19 बनाए 10 गेंदों से और 2 ओवर में 13 रन आसिफ रसूल के। इस ओवर से 10 रन आए, पिछले ओवर से पहले में 3 और नाग के पहले ओवर में 16। तो यह है कहानी अब तक के इन 3 ओवर्स की। 29 बनाए श्रीनगर सुल्तान ने और विकेट अभी तक खोया नहीं है। तेज तरार शुरुआत, अच्छी शुरुआत, आवश्यकता इस प्रकार के विस्फोटक बल्लेबाजी की थी, वो फिलहाल मिला हुआ अब तक। और ऐसे में इस सत्र को और लंबा करना होगा और बेहतर करना होगा, लेकिन गुडविल की टीम 1 विकेट की तलाश में।
Well, it's getting up, and it will go. It's 29 for none after 3, and those drop chances, they're hurting Goodwill now. Had they plucked out onto those chances, they put down both the openers, and now it's hurting them. It's 29 for none after 3. They're playing with a run rate of 9.67, and Rukaid comes down to 7.41. Still 10 wickets in hand, and it shall be Srinagar Sultans, and they shall be fancying the chances. And Srinagar, they need to win this one to make this group interesting. And it will become only 4 teams from the pool will qualify for the next round. Remember that 2 teams shall pack bags and will fly back to home. Ritik Singh, here comes the man from Udhampur, a quality bowler. Pitch that one up, getting it away from Sukhi there, straight to the keeper. No one did, so dot ball scored, stationed at 29 without a wicket. Here goes Ritik one more time. And Sukhi this time, appeal, but was going down the leg. Empire is unmoved. Their score still at. Now they are going for a run. As keeper behind the stumps was busy in appealing. And ball moves and goes. And they have taken a single. Their score goes to 30 now. It's 30 for the loss of no wicket. Out-walked. And on strike, it will be Faizan Mukhtar. The way Faizan batted against Asif Rasul, it was interesting. Next ball, almost through the gates, as he was trying to stretch out and get it over covers, and the ball went between the gap of pad and bat to the keeper. No run, that's a double. Score stationed at 30. Ritik bowled really well in this over. No run yet. And next ball, clipped away on the onside, in the gap, puts it there and picks up a boundary. What a shot! Wrist work comes in play from Faizan Mukhtar and picks up a boundary out of nowhere. Nothing wrong with the ball, but the shot selection was top class. Pushed it up, bounce was there. And look at Faizan Mukhtar. He just clipped it away onto the onside. Through the sky, Region picks up a boundary. And Ritik Singh conceded a boundary. He's the next ball on the back foot. And he's struggling there on that line. No run, score stationed at 34, but this is a good start for Srinagar Sultans. Chasing 154, they have set a good foundation.
देखिए आज अलग प्रकार की वो बल्लेबाजी दिखी है, वो रिस्ट वर्क, वो फुट वर्क और उसके बाद बल्लेबाज की क्लास। तो यहाँ रन संख्या की अगर बात की जाए इस मुकाबले के 34 4 ओवर के बाद बगैर नुकसान के बराबर 4 ओवर 34 रन, बेहतरीन और बढ़िया स्टार्ट यहाँ मिलता है श्रीनगर सुल्तान को।
Perfect start, and I agree with your statement. You're absolutely right. And the two batter nailed it to perfection here. They're chasing in excess of 150, but looking positive at the moment, and they need to carry on with the same pace. On the other side, evenly poised team like Royal Goodwill need to find answers. They're in desperate need of a wicket here. They need breakthrough here, and they need one badly at this crucial juncture, as these two guys are taking game away from Royal Goodwill at the moment. Now spin from both ends. It was Ritik, the boy from Udhampur. Now it's Vijan Panchal to bowl from this end. From other end, it was Udhampur boy from Kambok end. Now he's going to bowl from that far end. It's 34 for none after 4 overs. So you can understand that. Look at the two ladders. Suki 19 of 12. And Faizan Mukhtar is now gearing up. He's gaining a lot of confidence now, after looking Suki going after the bowlers. And the way Suki answered, this lad telling himself that I can also replicate what Suki is doing. There is a slip in place, and this one up the bottom and goes down to scare up the wicket. And there is production. Fielder Ritik comes across to field that one. 2 more runs. That is, it's 36 for none. Good start to the fresh over. Brace here. 2 more runs added. That takes Suki to 21. Need to bat according to the situation over here. At the moment they're looking positive. This is what they need to carry on. On the other side, bowlers need a wicket badly here.
36 बगैर नुकसान के 4.1 विजन पांचाल गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं। इस बार बढ़िया गेंद, खूबसूरत गेंद, बहुत बढ़िया गेंद भाग्य ने साथ दिया और कहें चाहिए बाल बाल बचे वहां बल्लेबाज। और ये देखिए गेंदबाजी विजन की बहुत बढ़िया, बल्ले से वो कमाल कर नहीं पाए, 0 पे आउट हुए थे और काफी खूबसूरत गेंदबाजी इस ओवर में अब तक देखने को मिली है विजन पांचाल द्वारा। और एक विकेट की तलाश होगी, क्या विजल यहाँ ब्रेक तो दिला पाएंगे अपनी टीम रॉयल गुडविल को। एक बार फिर एक और खूबसूरत गेंद सीधे विकेट कीपर वाहिद तिली के 10 रन में, हालांकि उन्होंने बेल्स गिरा दी लेकिन पिछला पाव सुरक्षित क्रीज में, कोई नुकसान नहीं। सुखी 21 15 गेंद से, फैजान मुख्तार ने 14 12 गेंदों से 36 4.3 और इस ओवर में पहली गेंद पर 2 रन और उसके बाद 2 डॉट गेंदें लगातार। अच्छा वापस, लेकिन यहां स्ट्रोक तो बेहतर है लेकिन रन 6 है और रन संख्या 42 तक पहुंच चुके हैं। खूबसूरत स्ट्रोक रडार में और गेंद को उठा करके सीमा रेखा से बाहर पहुंचाया। पांचल पे अब जाकर के दबाव जरूर होगा, हालांकि 2 डॉट गेंदें, पहली गेंद पर 2 रन उसके बाद 2 डॉट, लेकिन यहां शानदार स्ट्रोक, कमाल का स्ट्रोक और गेंद को हवा में लहराते हुए सीमा पार पहुंचाया। और अगली गेंद को एक बार फिर खेला जरूर, 1 रन तो दोनों बल्लेबाजों को मिलेगा। सुखी 28 पे 17 गेंदों से 12 गेंदों से 14। फैजान मुख्तार रॉयल गुडविल के विरुद्ध श्रीनगर सुल्तान 43 बगैर नुकसान के अंतिम गेंद 5वें ओवर के 7.38 रिकॉर्ड रन रेट, 8.90 इस समय करंट रन रेट। बढ़िया बल्लेबाजी चली है विजन, तिरछे रन के साथ ये गेंद और इस बार फिर ऑफ स्टंप से ये बाहर गेंद, हल्के पीछे जरूर किया था, स्टंप्स को कवर किया, वहां गेंद और बल्ले का संपर्क हुआ नहीं। ओवर समाप्त, 5 के बाद 43 बगैर नुकसान के।
It's 43 for none after 5. 1 over to go as far as power play is concerned. And Srinagar Sultans sending out a statement that we are here to chase this one down. And till now they have started very well. They are off to a flyer. It's 43 on the board without a wicket after 5. Vijan Panchal, his first over gone for 9. Faizan Mukhtar and Suki playing very well. Faizan is dealing in runnable, and on the other side Suki is batting with a good strike rate. 40 from 13 to Faizan Mukhtar and Suki 28 from 17 balls. Quality batting, and it's time for Ritik Singh to come again. His first over gone for 4. And it will be Sukhi on strike. 43 on the board. Chasing 154. Srinagar Sultan, they started well, they did well. But need to carry on, need to capitalize this one into the middle overs after the power play. Aqib Mir still in slips for Ritik Singh. Here goes Ritik Singh one more time. Pitch that one up. Whipped away. Firstly, proper cricketing shot from Sukhi there. 4 more runs. A blast shot against the Sipnors. I talked about the Sam in the first innings that the pitch is not behaving like it used to do. No assist for the Sipnors there. They are getting some odd balls to move. But overall, it's a good batting pitch and Goodwill. They will be looking back and they will be disappointed with their collapse in the middle overs.
Agree with your statement. You're absolutely right. And yeah, absolutely right. Will be disgusted. And if they have to blame anyone, it's their middle order who failed miserably. The one man who stand out, it was Nag, who scored 80 runs, but others failed. Others couldn't deliver. And Aqib Mir in slip cordon. Pressure is on captain too. 155 is the target. They're 48 for none. Ritik again, and this one works it away onto the onside, down to the scare of the wicket. And we'll have to wait and watch. Look at the roar from the crowd here. And they are behind every shot here. It's Royal Goodwill on the receiving end. 48 for none. Ritik in a second over. And this one wanted to go straight down the ground. And there is shot for stumping. But umpire on mood says he's home. He's grounded his foot there. And his foot is rooted to the ground. It's within the crease. 48 for none. Oh! It's rumble bumble. And it's oohs and ahs going on. Everything is being praised. And crowd is right behind Sultans from Srinagar here. It is Srinagar Sultans in the middle. Done with 6. Power play comes to an end. 48 without loss. They're still 107 behind. 84 balls remaining.
देखिए इस समय दबाव रॉयल गुडविल पे होगा क्योंकि 6 ओवर में 8 रन प्रति ओवर के हिसाब से बढ़िया कहा जा सकता है। और जैसा कि आपने भी जिक्र किया, गयूर ने भी जिक्र किया कि विकेट उस प्रकार का बिहेव कर नहीं रही है जिस प्रकार से हमने पिछले मुकाबले में देखा। हालांकि ये वो विकेट है जहां आज मात्र ये पहला मुकाबला खेला जा रहा है इस विकेट पे। हालांकि जो दिन का पहला मुकाबला था वो दूसरे विकेट पे खेला गया जहां स्पिन गेंदबाजी के लिए अच्छा खासा वहां लाभ मिला गेंदबाजों को, लेकिन जहां पे स्पिन गेंदबाजों को उतना लाभ नहीं मिला है क्योंकि जिस प्रकार की अभी तक बल्लेबाजी हुई है, शानदार गेंदबाजी, हालांकि विकेट तो उन्हें मिला नहीं, लाभ थोड़ा बहुत हम कहना चाहेंगे मिला, लेकिन यहां एक विकेट की तलाश, क्योंकि जितना जल्दी आप विकेट प्राप्त करेंगे उतना बेहतर कहा जा सकता है। और आने वाले सत्र में, आने वाले समय में जितना बल्लेबाज सिंगल डबल से स्ट्राइक को रोटेट करें, इस साझेदारी को और बेहतर करें, तो मैं समझता हूं वो जो दबाव है वो और ज्यादा गहरा होता चला जाएगा रॉयल गुडविल की टीम पे।
You're right. Pressure is on Royal Goodwill. It's 49 a wicketless power play for Goodwill there. And Vijan Panchal, this time down the legs, and it went, it's 5 wides. Srinagar Sultans, anything they touch here turns into gold. 5 more, and score goes to 55 now. Srinagar Sultans all over Royal Goodwill Cricket Club. And Royal Goodwill, they can't find themselves in a match here. It's getting away from it. Nawahid Tali behind the stump says, what can I do? It's down the legs. And I had no chance to stop that one. 54 on the board without a wicket. Over number 7 is in progress. Here goes Vijan Panchal again. And knocked him over this time. Finally a wicket for Royal Goodwill. Wicket number 1 goes down. It is Faizan Mukhtar who departs. Crowd found their voice again. They're up on their feet. And Vijan Panchal with a breakthrough. It's 54 for 1.
बात विकेट की, और विकेट विजन पंचाल ने यहां दिला ही दिया अंत तौर पर, और अंततः वो विकेट गुडविल को मिला। पहला विकेट है, ये देखिए पूरी तरह से वहां अक्रॉस द लाइन खेलने का प्रयास असफल और गेंद स्टंप्स पे, तो काम तमाम भैया, पहला विकेट गुडविल को मिला। अरे यहां से अब जाकर के एक और साझेदारी निभाने होगी। यहां पहला विकेट मिलता हुआ गुडविल की टीम को, और कहीं ना कहीं राहत की सांस जरूर लेंगे। बासित नजीर एक और नए बल्लेबाज सुखी के साथ, लेकिन सुखी 34 पे नाबाद है 20 गेंदों से, वो अभिजीत है और बेहतरीन स्ट्रोक उन्होंने खेले हैं। लाजवाब बेहतरीन क्रिकेट चल रहा है। विजन पंचल 1.2 ओवर 15 रन 1 विकेट। बहुत ही बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी, अनुशासन उनकी गेंदबाजी में। और कुछ मंत्रणा जरूर, एक हर्डल बनाया, बातचीत चली और अब जाकर के अपने अपने स्थान पर क्षेत्र रक्षण के लिए रॉयल गुडविल की टीम। बासित नजीर नए बल्लेबाज, 155 के जवाब में 54 पे 1, यानी कि 101 रन यहां से जीत के लिए 7वां ओवर पारी का चल रहा है।
Suki in the middle may be feeling a little sad, and he will be saddened to know that his partner is gone. He's cleaned it up, and you call it Dukhi. Suki may be Dukhi for a while, but he may get better with the passage of time tonight. That brings Basit Nazir to bat in a number 3. But let us see an ideal position for this lad. Is he gonna put on a show tonight? A night to remember. Are they gonna script history? And he plays it down towards long off. He's off the mark straight away. And before Phil can come in, Danish Khande. No, it's Asif Rasul there. No, Danish Khande to be precise. Who does mop up only a single. 55 now, 100 needed. Exactly. Triple figure mark kabe. 100 is what they require to win this one. Vision in a second over. 1 for 16. The lone man who picked up that wicket, broken that stand, and he's the man who's behind that fall of wicket. He breaks the stand, and look at that one. It was again deadly dangerous. Move from bat, a deep increase. Suki there, but he survives, gets way with it. And look at the square leg umpire. The standing umpire there, it is Asif Raza. As we watch in the meantime, bowler Vijan, a pat on the ball, could be tight. It's a direct hit, and he's celebrating. An umpire sends it upstairs. TV umpire to assist the on-field umpire. Let's find it out. Is he short off his ground there, or is he home? Let's find it out. Little pat on the ball, defensive shot offered. Oh, we'll have to wait, and I think he's home. I think he's safe there. And let us see, take a look. Oh, he's home. The bat is grounded. Done well, and the signal is not out. He survives, gets away with that one. One more run added to the tally. It was a risky one, but in the end, getting a single here. Now they're required in double figures. 99, it's down to 99. Again, drives in the gap to a quality shot from newcomer. Done with 757 for 1. They're 98 runs away. The required rate is 7.54 and current rate. They're going 8.14 and over. Healthy run rate maintained by Srinagar Sultanas. Suki 35-22, and Basit, who just walked in, is on to 2 of 2. A runner ball, and Vijan Panchal finished his second over. 2 overs, 1 for 18. And with the economy of 9, he considered the rate of 9, but he has picked up wicket, and he made that breakthrough, which was need of an hour, and they needed it badly, and it was Vijan getting into the act and produced that wicket.
देखिए, रॉयल गुडविल को एक और विकेट चाहिए और श्रीनगर सुल्तान को एक और साझेदारी। और ये जो सिलसिला है, ये देखना होगा किसके पक्ष में जाएगा। रूपशीर को लेकर के आए परिवर्तन, रूपशीर और एक बेहतरीन गेंदबाज है, और जहां एक कड़ी परीक्षा जरूर बल्लेबाजों के लेंगे, और गेंदबाज की भी परीक्षा हो गई, लेकिन इस उत्तरदायित्व में किसकी विजय होती है ये देखना होगा। बाजी किसके हाथ लगेगी? क्या गेंदबाज यहां से इस साझेदारी को तोड़ पाएंगे? क्या बल्लेबाज इनके विरुद्ध कुछ प्रभाव छोड़ पाएंगे गेंदबाज पे? ये देखना होगा। फिलहाल विजन पांचाल 2 ओवर 18 रन 1 विकेट 57 पे 1 7 के बाद 13 ओवर का खेल 7.54 प्रति ओवर के हिसाब से यहां से रन बनाने हैं। और नाबाद छोड़ी सुखी 35 22 गेंदों से, और उनके साथ बासित नजीर ने 2 रन बनाए हैं। फिलहाल नया ओवर प्रारंभ करने जा रहे हैं। रूप बशीर पहली गेंद लेकर के, बशीर की ऑफ स्टंपर, और ये खाली इलाका चुना, गेंद को सीमा रेखा से बाहर बुना। 4 मिले यहां पर, और खूबसूरत स्ट्रोक आते ही चौका चढ़ा वहां पर बल्लेबाज ने। रन संख्या इस चौका के साथ अब श्रीनगर सुल्तान के जाकर के 60 अथवा 61 पर पहुंचे। ये देखिए स्ट्रोक, खूबसूरत, बेहतरीन प्लेसमेंट, लाजवाब। हालांकि वहां पर खिलाड़ी ने प्रयास किया था, वो असर रहा। 61 पे 1 7.1 ओवर की गेंदबाजी, 6 पर पहुंच गए बासित नजीर। रूपशीर गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं, और ये गेंद इस बार फिर अंतिम समय तक गेंद को देखा और उसके बाद अंतिम समय पर गेंद पे बल्ला अड़ाया, ऑफसाइड में गेंद चली गई। आखिर मीर ने गेंद को फील्ड कर लिया, रन बनने की संभावना वहां पर थी नहीं, लेकिन रूप बशीर को यहाँ पे एक विकेट की तलाश हो गई। वहीं पे वो जो साझेदार जिसकी हम लगातार बातचीत कर रहे हैं, ये स्ट्रोक बढ़िया था, प्लेसमेंट बहुत बढ़िया और मानसिकता यह देखिए बल्लेबाज की, क्योंकि जब उन्होंने बल्लेबाजों के चलते दबाव का प्रयास गेंदबाजों पर उठाने का किया, उसमें सफलता मिली। यह स्ट्रोक खेलने का प्रयास, गेंद पीछे विकेट कीपर के पास चली गई, रन मिला नहीं, रन संख्या में इजाफा नहीं। 61 एक विकेट के नुकसान पर 7.3 ओवर की गेंदबाजी।
Quality batter Basit Nazir, a youngster, and a quality batter in making the shots he play. He is very good on that offside. Robashir conceded boundary on his first ball, but that he made a good comeback here again. Oh, look at that shot on the back foot, places it. Good looking shot, might not get a boundary there, but that was a shot of a top quality. Basit Nazir on the back foot. So this team has got that vibe to get a royal goodwill out of this encounter. It's Suki on the other side. He's taking game away from goodwill. It's 62 for 1 in over number 8. We are still 2 balls to go. Robashir 5 from 4 and needs to bowl in those channels of uncertainties if they want to stay in the contest. And as for now, Srinagar Sultans are all over Royal Goodwill Cricket Club there. It goes Robashir one more time. Suki comes down the track and what a shot, but finds Asif Rasool. And Asif Rasool somehow managed to stop that one. 4 was written on the shot, but Asif Rasool with a terrific stop saved 4 runs for his team. Look at the stop. Terrific one. It was not easy to stop under light. It was coming at a good pace. 62 for 1 in over number 8. Here is the last ball of over number 8. And it's okay. Slapped that one through the covers. But there is a failure on the deep there. The sound from the bat, it's crunching. Definitely the sound is giving the confidence to the batters.
Well, it's like that tuck. It's going, it's like that. Tucks it. And we often say tucks it on the corner. But look at that one, and you're talking of that. It was stuck. Oh, what a sound of the bat there. Crunchy munchy. You're absolutely right. Well, then 63 for 1. We're off to the completion of over number 8. Over number 9 is about to start. Khabarat Premier League Season 1, match number 9 underway. Being played between Royal Goodwill and Srinagar Sultans. It's a night, Sunday night. Tight fight. Let's have fun. And excitement is underway here at the centre. It's exciting game of cricket underway. Changing the bowling. Asif Rasool to bowl, 2 overs, none for 13. Brought back into the attack. And captain goes back to his premium bowler. The man who's also known as Crisis Man. And look at the roar from the crowd. They're right behind once again the batting side. And places it in front of point. No possibility of a run there. It's a dot ball. And it's Suki on to 36 of 25 balls. Is Suki gonna take their side to some sort of respectability? Oh, played on, clean bowled. I was just talking about that. And it's Suki on his way back to pavilion. Commentator's curse again. He couldn't prolong his knock here. He's played on, and look at the celebration from Asif Rasool. And Asif Rasool is walking up the field, interesting. And he strikes here. Look at it, rolled fingers over the ball and gets his man. Well, he swapped the field again. Well, sometimes it may happen. But a time, short pause in the game, and look at that one again. Away from the body again. Off the inner splice. Wrong shot selection, you got to admit that.
Exactly. Not an easy customer with the ball to deal in. But Asif Rasool, he's a quality player. A quality member of the team. Be it bat or be it ball, the man is on mission. He would have got Suki earlier in his first over, but he was put down. But look at him now. He finally has his reward. Kashif is the new man out in the middle at number 4 to join Basit Nazir. It's 63 for 2 and Royal Goodwill back in the match. They're pulling things back and pulling it harder. And Royal Goodwill, they are in a huddle. They're discussing and strategizing the things there. They need someone to step up in the bowling department if they want to be in the contest. It's 63 for 2 in over number 9. And Asif Rasool is the man. Well, he is the man when it comes to bowling who can get Royal Goodwill out of this trouble.
देखिए महान खिलाड़ी है और एक बार फिर उन्होंने अपनी महानता यहां दर्शाई है, आए परिवर्तन के तौर पर, और वो जो आपका प्रमुख हथियार है उस पर विश्वास यहां कप्तान आके बेर ने किया, लेकर के आसिफ रसूल को, और उन्होंने विकेट लेकर के दिया। और ये एक खासियत होती है एक मंजे हुए खिलाड़ी की, एक मंजे हुए क्रिकेटर के, वो कर दिखाया आसिफ रसूल ने। बेहतरीन लाजवाब गेंदबाजी, 2.2 ओवर मात्र 13 रन 1 विकेट, और वो भी सोखी का, जो कि बहुत ही बेहतरीन। आपने पिछले ओवर्स में देखा किस प्रकार के स्ट्रोक उन्होंने खेले, दर्शनीय स्ट्रोक, विकेट के चारों ओर उन्होंने खेले, लेकिन जहां आसिफ रसूल ने उन्हें चलता किया। काशिफ नए बल्लेबाज, 63, 2 विकेट के नुकसान पे 8.2 ओवर की गेंदबाजी आसिफ रसूल। अगली गेंद लेकर के तैयार, दर्शकों का शोर गूंजता हुआ मैदान में, और ये गेंद इस बार फिर अच्छी गेंद थी, खूबसूरत गेंद ऑफ स्टंप पर, हालांकि एक बार फिर वेल्स गिरा दी वहां वाहिद तेली ने, लेकिन सुरक्षित वहां पर बल्लेबाज काशिफ, जो कि अभी अभी आए हैं, खाता खोलना बाकी, यहां आत्मविश्वास के साथ संयम के साथ बल्लेबाजी करनी हो गई, और थोड़ा सा समय बिताना होगा, आसिफ रसूल को पढ़ना होगा, तब जाकर के आप उनके विरुद्ध बल्लेबाजी कर सकते हैं। हालांकि एक संघर्षपूर्ण मुकाबला वर्तमान स्थिति में चलता है। क्रिकेट महान अनिश्चितताओं का खेल, आखिरी गेंद तक कुछ कहना संभव नहीं होगा, क्योंकि कुछ भी संभव है मुकाबले में। ये क्रिकेट का स्वाभाविक खेल है, ये क्रिकेट की खूबसूरती है कि आप अंतिम गेंद तक कुछ प्रेडिक्शन कर नहीं सकते। ये गेंद इस बार फिर अच्छी गेंद, स्टंप्स को कवर किया और अंतिम समय में बल्ले को नीचे किया, मिडिल ऑफ द बैट से गेंद बल्ले के बीचों बीच टकराने के बाद चली गई फील्डर के पास, फील्ड हुए रन, एक और वहां पे डॉट गेंद, 63 तो विकेट के नुकसान पे 8.4 ओवर की गेंदबाजी, 9वां ओवर। यहाँ खूबसूरत अच्छी गेंदबाजी, आप देखिए लाइन और लेंथ बहुत बढ़िया आसिफ रसूल के, क्योंकि अवसर वहां पर बल्लेबाज को देने रहे हैं हाथ खोलने का, और ऑफ स्टंप के आसपास जो आक्रमण रखा है, वो जो क्षेत्र रक्षण आपने लगा के रखा है, उसके अनुकूल अभी तक आसिफ रसूल ने गेंदबाजी, ये क्षमता है इस गेंदबाज की। 8.5 ये गेंद, एक बार फिर बढ़िया गेंद, खूबसूरत गेंद, यहाँ स्टंप्स टू स्टंप गेंदबाजी हो रही है। ओवर समाप्त हुआ 9 पूरे 63, 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर रॉयल गुडविल क्रिकेट क्लब के विरुद्ध श्रीनगर सुल्तान्स।
Kashf needs to bat very well alongside Basit Nazir. Remember, record run rate is going up. It's 8.36 at the moment now. And he needs to bat alongside Basit Nazir and need to get runs. And now it's time for skipper to roll it. And he is coming with the ball in his hand. It's time for Akmir to announce himself. It's 63 for 2 after 9. 11 overs to go, and they need 155 to chase this one down. They're 63 for 2. And Srinagar Sultans, they started well, but they need to carry on. They need to get partnership. They need to build that momentum. They need to get little cameos to stay in the contest. Well, it's Ishtaq Rasool at long on, and it will be Basit on strike. It will be Akemi taking on Basit. Basit, a talented youngster. First ball inside, I say, with Basit there. Inside edge. It was bat first, but now he's a talented lad, a little guy, a younger guy. So cricket is left in him. He has got a bright future. The way he plays, the way he adopts the shots, it's definitely looking eye-catching at the moment. Here goes Akemir again. And Basit Nazir plays it back to the bowler. And Akemir's overs, they will be crucial. They will be very, very crucial. And it will decide where the game will go. Basit on the other side is a quality player, and he can take his team home. It's 63 for 2 in over number 10. Next ball, look at that one. Provided the full bat face, but finds the field and no run. It's a third dot in a row. Hat-trick of dots. And Akemir, it's not easy to play against Akemir. Now this will be the battle to watch out. How Basit is going against Akemir.
Well, it is 63 for 2, 3 dots in a row. Next one clips it away. Another dot here. Now 4 dots in a row will make it 4 dots. No run in this server. And he's using towel to dry up the surface of the ball. Not that much due here. But it's 63 for 2 this server. Akemir in his very first ever. 4 dots. He's trying to put pressure on batter here. And somehow succeed in doing that. 4 dots, that too against Basit. Here is the next one, and this one up the bottom half, goes on to the onside, finally gets a single here. and manages a single here. Solitary run of the fifth ball. The penultimate ball yielded a single. 64 for 2. We are in over number 10. This is Khyber Red Premier League Season 1, match number 9. It's a night encounter underway. Royal Goodwill taking on Srinagar Sultans. Here is that last ball of over number 10. And this one, he may be in danger. He's gone here. Asif Rasool under the ball. And Akimir has his man. Kaushik gone for naught. Used 5 balls and gone without scoring. And Srinagar Sultans in further trouble here. One more wicket down. Goes across the line. Leading edge lob was off. He wanted to go over mid-wicket, but the leading edge has different idea. It goes to Asif Rasool. Well, the ball is in touch with Asif Rasool tonight. It's a good love story, to be precise, and a close love story at the moment. One unending, and it goes to Asif Rasool. It is in deep love with Asif tonight. A wicket coming here. Third one bites the dust in a hurdle again. Now, look at the hurdle and delighted. Oh, take a look. Oh, go through this and you can see. Oh, now they are going down this here. These 2 wickets coming, and now they are in a spot above here. And take a look. Histogram is here, showing that big building block that was over number 12, and I think it's of inning number 1. Histogram showing us, and these stats.
Arise International Academy, Mujkund, Srinagar, has an integrated approach to teaching and learning. Playway method is employed so that the tiny tots learn at their pace. You're welcome on all working days to take a brief tour of the campus before you make a calculated choice of place for your watch.
Here, Royal Goodwill set 155, and Srinagar Sultans are 64 for 3 now. They are 91 away from 10 overs. They required 9.10 in over to win this one, and captain callers Asif Rasool again, and Asif will continue to bowl. Asif will be bowling to the likes of Mutib Makaya. What a name he has got. Oh, clean bowled, and it's the turn of Bassett to walk back. Clean bowled, it's through. He has no idea, and look at the Asif Rasool celebration. He is talking of that. He was showing me the back face. He was showing me that elbow. And look at that one. It just gone through, curl back in to the right hand, and Asif Rasool is delighted. Oh, coming into the batter, unable to work it away. And it's Asif Rasool among the wickets. This lad is totally unplayable tonight. It isn't easy to deal with this lad. Oh, look at that one. Poked. And look at that one. He has no idea. Completely undone and bamboozled. He's on his way. Take a look again. Oh, couldn't read that one. Misread it completely. And he's on his way. Now in further trouble here. Eskazi walks in at number 6 now. They're 4 down. And in a spot of border against Srinagar Sultans. Makaya is in the middle and has got Sajjad Ghazi to join him.
नए बल्लेबाज एस गाजी, और क्या यहां मार पाएंगे बाजी, ये देखना होगा। और बात कुछ समय पहले यहां कमेंट्री बॉक्स में हम लगातार चर्चा कर रहे थे, गेंदबाजी में अनुशासन जब जब आए तब तब विकेट दिलाया, और ये महानता है इस गेंदबाज की। आसिफ रसूल नाम है इनका, लेकिन क्या शानदार, खूबसूरत और बेहतरीन। जी हाँ बिल्कुल, और उनके विरुद्ध क्षेत्ररक्षण उस प्रकार का नहीं रहा, अन्यथा कुछ कहानी वो अलग तरीके की यहां दर्शाते। ये एक और खूबसूरत गेंद थी, लेकिन भाग्य ने साथ दिया बल्लेबाज एस गाजी का। श्रीनगर सुल्तान्स जो एक समय पे एक बेहतर स्थिति में दिखाई दे रही थी, लेकिन यह कहानी कुछ अलग तरीके का वो जो स्वभाव है वो दर्शा रही है, क्योंकि 4 विकेट गवा दिया है मात्र 64 पे 10.2 ओवर की गेंदबाजी के बाद। 11वां ओवर 155 चाहिए जीत के लिए, और यहां आस्किंग रेट पर मनवर नजर दौड़ा लीजिए, एक नजर 9.41 तक पहुंच चुका है। अरे आसिफ रसूल का वहां स्वभाव देखिए, गाजी से बातचीत कर रहे हैं, आंखों ही आंखों में कुछ इशारा कर दिया कि भैया ये कहानी वो है जिसको दोहराने में समय नहीं लगता, और वो समय कितना जल्दी वो लौटा लेते हैं, ये देखने वाली बात होगी। ये गेंद इस बार ऑफ साइड में, रन तो जरूर मिलेगा वहां पर बल्लेबाज को। अंततः गाजी ने खाता खोल लिया 3 गेंदों से 1। मुथी मकाया को अभी खाता खोलना है, बाएं हाथ के युवा बल्लेबाज इस समय सामने। और मनोवर आज युवा बल्लेबाज, कुछ युवा चेहरे श्रीनगर सुल्तान में देखने को मिले, मैं समझता हूं एक अच्छा संकेत क्रिकेट के दृष्टिकोण से।
Agree with your statement. Good move from Imran Butt and company. We have prominent members of Delegate Sports Club here. Well, just play out 2 balls from Asif Rasool here, and he's going to finish his quarter. This could be tight again. Tight again. Short for LBW and umpire unmoved. Unmoved umpire, and Asif Rasool is all smiles here. Well, he's surprised that he's having a word with Eskazi there. Mutib Makaya. Just play out Asif Rasool. He's having a word with umpire. And Asif Rasool, he's clueless at the moment. He can't believe. Looked close there. But umpire knows better than us. Let's find it out. Let's go through again. Can we have the replay, please? And we'll have to wait and watch. Just 55 balls remaining now. There's still 90 away. Oh, this one onto the offside. But there is production. There is Ritik Singh quickly onto the ball. And 2 more runs added to the tally. Done with 11. It is 67 for 4. 88 needed of 9 overs, having 6 in hand. But it's good. Getting rid of Asif Rasool finally. 4 overs, 2 for 16.
54 गेंदें बची है, 88 चाहिए। और गेंदबाजी विश्लेषण आसिफ रसूल हो गए मकबूल। 4 ओवर 16 रन 2 विकेट उनके नाम। अरे क्या बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी, क्या बेहतरीन शानदार स्पेल रहा आसिफ रसूल का। लीजेंडरी क्रिकेटर आसिफ रसूल, और इस आयु में भी इस प्रकार का प्रदर्शन मैं समझता हूं युवाओं के लिए एक बहुत बड़ी सीख। क्या शानदार गेंदबाजी की, और 4 ओवर में 16 रन खर्चे, 2 विकेट उन्होंने प्राप्त किए। 11 पूरे 67, 4 विकेट के नुकसान पे 9.78 इस समय आस्किंग रेट। आखिर 1 ओवर 1 रन और 1 विकेट। एक और दिलचस्प आंकड़ा हमारे सामने, 1 ओवर 1 रन और 1 विकेट। क्या शानदार गेंदबाजी। 54 गेंदों से 88 चाहिए जीत के लिए। आखिर लेकर के दूसरा ओवर, पारी का 12वां ओवर, पहली गेंद, और इस बार उनके बाद खेलने का प्रयास हो गया सफल, और विकेट मिल गया के मीर को। चलिए भैया, चल गया के मीर के तीर।
Wicket number 5 down. Sajjad Ghazi is on his way. And Srinagar Sultan is losing plot badly here. And from that high flight to down under, it's like that of 1 minute down, next minute up. But it's down and down, and further down. It's turning from bad to worse for Srinagar Sultanas tonight here. Oh, that one through. And he knocked him over. It's wicket number 5 down. Sultanas in a spot above there, and we got War Electromagam here. Look at that one. Up pole is uprooted. Oh, look at the delight, jubilation, joy, and joyous moment there. Rejoicing the moment. And why not? They are their 5th one, and that brings Roopmeer. And Roopmeer is known for using his long handle. But it is in a wicket like that, where you can up the sleeve each and every ball and launch them big. Need to get his eyes in, and Mutib Makaya is still there. Makaya 2 of 2, and Roopmeer joins him in the middle. And it's Roopmeer alongside Mutib Makaya out in the middle for Srinagar Sultans. The asking rate is nearing in on 10 and over now. It's 9.96. And It's nearing in on, closing in on 10 and over. Won't be easy now. It's 67 for the loss of 5 wickets. They farm the batters back to pavilion. Rope Mir, who just walked in, is going to face the likes of Akib Mir. 1.1. He has picked up 2 wickets and gone for a solitary run. Look at that one, and Roop Bashir is quickly onto the ball. They're breathing again. And this is a lively competition on between two teams. And farm the batters back to Hart. Roop somehow clips it onto the onside. Oh, no run there, no run taken, unable to find a single because Roop Bashir is there. He denied a single there. Score a man static. Pressure is mounting on 2 batters in the middle. Akib goes and bows this one. Little fumble on the field. Will it go past? But there is production. There is man stationed who does mop up, but not before the 2 batters crossed over for a single. Thank you, gentlemen. 1 more run added to the tally. It is 68 for the loss of 5. He's from Kargil. Oh, what a place. Thank you, gentlemen. Look at the love for the game. People from Ladakh, Leh and Kargil are here. And I'm going to use words Jule Ladakh and Assalamu Alaikum in Thai Globe. It's 68 for 5. Look at that one. Warakas it away onto the onside. 1 more run added to the tally. 70 on the board. Every run is important here. It's 69 on the board. 1 ball remaining in over number 12 here. This is Cabaret Premier League Season 1, match number 9. At one stage they were calling the shot. They were in ascendancy. Now look at the comeback from Royal Goodwill. And their bowlers are putting brakes on. Asif Rasool finished his quota. And Akib Mir is left with 2 overs. 8 overs. Out of 8, Akib Mir has got 2 overs to use.
12 पूरे 69 पे 5 अंतिम मुकाबला और आज के दिन का ये दूसरी पारी 69 पे 5 12 के बाद और कल पहला मुकाबला जो 3:30 बजे प्रारंभ होगा वैली फ्रेश कोल्ड चैन क्रिकेट क्लब और सुल्तान वारियर्स बाराबला एक बेहतरीन मुकाबला और फिर दिन के दूसरे मुकाबले में ठीक शाम 7:30 बजे एम्पेरोस फोर्स और एलिगेंट स्ट्राइकर्स ये दूसरा मुकाबला होगा फिर आगामी 24 सितंबर को रॉयल गुडविल का मुकाबला वैली फ्रेश के साथ और उसी दिन दूसरे मुकाबले में श्रीनगर सुल्तान और सुल्तान वारियर्स बारामुल्ला का तो 24 को ये पूल समाप्त होगा और 25 से पूल बी प्रारंभ होने जा रहा है जहां पहला मुकाबला 11 आर स्टार्स और 11 ब्रदर्स कश्मीर दूसरा मुकाबला उसी दिन श्रीनगर सुल्तान और एम्पेरोस फोर्स का फिर अगले दिन यानी कि 26 सितंबर को डडू रेंजर्स कश्मीर और अल समद क्रिकेट क्लब और दूसरे मुकाबले में 26 सितंबर को श्रीनगर सुल्तान और वैली फ्रेश कोल्ड का मुकाबला 28 को और दूसरे मुकाबले में अल समद क्रिकेट क्लब और हमदान हुरिकेन्स 29 सितंबर 11 ब्रदर्स कश्मीर डडू रेंजर्स कश्मीर और फिर दूसरे मुकाबले में दिन के 11 आर स्टार्स और नजमीन क्रिकेट क्लब और 30 सितंबर को 11 आर स्टार्स और अल समद क्रिकेट क्लब ये 3:30 बजे मुकाबला होगा और 7:30 बजे 30 सितंबर को 11 ब्रदर्स कश्मीर का मुकाबला हमदान हुरिकेन्स के साथ होगा और उसके बाद 2 अक्टूबर को दिन के पहले मुकाबले में 3:30 बजे डडू रेंजर्स का मुकाबला नजमीन के साथ और फिर दिन के दूसरे मुकाबले में 11 आर स्टार्स का मुकाबला हमदान के साथ तो ये है मैच आने वाले समय पर पूल बी के फिलहाल 70 पे 5 12.3 ओवर की गेंदबाजी रूपमीर 1 मोती मकाया 4 और विजन पंचल दूसरे स्पेल में गेंदबाजी कर रहे 19 रन होने खर्चे ये गेंद इस बार बड़ा स्ट्रोक लिया हवा में लहराती हुई गेंद सीमा रेखा से बाहर 6 रनों के लिए 74 पे 5 12.4 ओवर की गेंदबाजी के बाद
Much needed one for Srinagar Sultans. Vijan Panchal pitched this one up and he got the reward, was punished according to the game there. In that zone where no one is failing and Rookmere picks up a boundary. Talking about points table, Royal Goodwill, they played 2, they won 2, they lost 1. Emperors 3, 1-2 and lost 1. We got Sultan Warriors Baramulla, they played 3, they won 2 and lost 1. Elegant Strikers, they played 4, they won 2, they lost 2. It means that they need to win their last match and anyhow. Valley Fresh, they played 2 and lost 2. Srinagar Sultans, they played 1 and lost 1. This is their second match. And the next pool, they are yet to play their first match. And that pool, they have got plenty of good teams, quality teams. as compared to this pool. Now up in there, failure underneath. Just short of him. Mujibul Haq was there. We're talking about that pool. Hamdan is there. Dadu is there. 11R is there. 11 brothers are there. There is Najmeen Critical. Al Samad, Hilal Khalid, Manzoor Pandal. They will be playing for Al Samad. And they have some foreign players too. And talking about 11R, they too have some foreign players. So that's going to be a quality cricket phase coming your way. And that pool is going to make this more interesting as far as this league is concerned. It's 75 for 5 after 13. Now 42 balls, 80 needed. It's getting beyond the reach of Sultan of Srinagar. They need a 11.43 per over. Mutib Makaya 4 from 6. Rufmi 6 from 7. And courtesy Asif Rasul spell. The way he bowled, the way he pulled things back for Royal Goodwill, what a man he is, and what a find. A legendary cricketer from South Kashmir. And it's none other than Asif Rasul, and he got his counter, his teammate, it's Aqib Mir. 2 overs, 3 runs, and 2 wickets. A skipper spell this from Aqib Mir. Here he comes again. Comes down the track, slapped it, but straight to failure, and wicket number 6 comes down. Aqib Mir has his 3rd. Skipper leading from the front. Srinagar Sultans, they are in a huge trouble here.
परिस्थितियां गंभीर होती हुई, नैया डूबती हुई, संकट की स्थिति यहां बनती चली जा रही है। और यहां रोप मीर का विकेट विजन पंचल ने सबब तक कैच लपका है। अरे आकिब मीर को मिल गई तीसरी सफलता। क्या शानदार गेंदबाजी आकिब मीर, और कप्तानी का परिचय उन्होंने दिया है। कप्तानी परी गेंदबाजी उन्होंने किया है। हालांकि बल्लेबाजी में वो दमखम नहीं दिखा, लेकिन गेंदबाजी में जब अवसर मिला, जी हाँ बिल्कुल, वो दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण तरीके से रन आउट हुए थे। 75 पर 6 विकेट, 13.1 ओवर की गेंदबाजी। आकिब मीर की गेंदबाजी मनवर 2.1 ओवर 3 रन 3 विकेट।
Impressive figures. Well, everyone knows Aqib Mir and his class, of what stature and of what quality as Aqib Mir is. He is known as Wall and Mr. Consistent in the Valley, and for a reason. He's one of the remarkable and amazing characters in the Valley. There is a special reason behind it. It's 75 for 6 now. And look at his spell here, 2.1, 3 for 3. He conceded 3 runs and picked up 3 wickets, and that brings Saqib Rishi to bat. Saqib Rishi is in at number 8 now. The asking rate is another big concern here. It's going upwards. There is steep increase in asking rate. Now it's nearing in on 12 an over, which won't be easy. And you got to make 12 each over. You need 12 runs per over here. It's nearing in on 41 balls, 80 runs away. And Aqib Mir in his 3rd over. He picked up 3 wickets and gone for just 3 runs. This over and first ball wicket coming. He claim a 3rd one here. Saqib Rishi to face the likes of Aqib Mir. And how Saqib will adjust again as to Aqib. Interesting. Here is Aqib to Saqib, and Saqib plays it back along, no run there. Defensive shot. He defenses it back to the bowler. Back along the track. Now it's 12 and over. Asking rate is exactly 12 and over now. 40 balls, 80 needed. Now improvised. Does well. Does very well. Is he going to fetch boundary? No, doesn't. Fielder goes across. Does mop up in time. But the 2 batters crossed up for a brace. 70 needed up 39 balls. The asking rate is still displaying 12 and over. Won't be easy for Srinagar Sultans, running out of resources here. They're running short of resources, to be precise. They're just 4 wickets in kitty. Oh, good looking delivery again. But he blocks it. Solid block. Back to the bowler. No run there. This is Khyber Red Premier League Season 1 match number 9. Talking of the dismissal of Roop Mir. Was unable to middle the ball in the end. Not getting that kind of elevation. Either the distance going into the hands of man at long off. Vijan Panchal does well. And Faisal was bencher today. Missed out on biggest occasion. Should have been in place. And two guys missed out badly today and tonight. Look at that one, worked away nicely. Oh, could be tight. But he's back home, so no harm done. 14 gone. Successful outcomes to an end. 77 for 6. And look at his figures. 3 overs. 3 for 5. He given away 5 runs and picked up 3. It reminds me of yesterday bowling spell of Anchal Singh. And you call it in Hindi Anchal Lehrana. He took it in his lap and picked up 5 wickets. 5 wicket haul the other day.
5 बल्लेबाजों को उन्होंने अपने आंचल में समेटा और लेकर के चले गए। लेकिन यहाँ कहानी 36 गेंदों से 78 चाहिए। आकिब ने 3 ओवर में 5 रन खर्चे, 3 विकेट उन्होंने प्राप्त किए। साकिब रेशी 5 गेंदों से। मुतीब मकाया 4 पे बाद है 6 गेंदों से। 13 रन प्रति ओवर के हिसाब से यहां से रन बनाने हैं और 4 विकेट सुरक्षित। आसान परिस्थितियां है नहीं। 36 गेंदों से 78 चाहिए जीत के लिए। और संगीत अगर हम बात करें और यहां संगीत खूबसूरत अंदाज से सुनाई दे रहा है। ऐसे में रूप बशीर 1 ओवर 6 रन दूसरे स्पेल में गेंदबाजी करेंगे। दूसरा ओवर होगा उनका और पारी का 15 ओवर। 78 चाहिए श्रीनगर सुल्तान को जीत के लिए। 36 के दुकान बाके। रूप बशीर चले पहली गेंद और डंडा बाहर। मुतीब मकाया यहां रूप बशीर ने नचाया।
7th one is down here and Muteeb Makaya is clean it up. Middle pole is uprooted. And take a look again. Watch that. It's Roop Bashir. Oh, bad shot. To be precise, he didn't offer any shot. Fluttering and is clean it up. Knocked over. Roop Bashir is among the wickets. He finds his man here. Good ball, didn't rise too much, and it goes beneath the bat to hit the timber. And Shabir Rishi walks in. Shabir Rishi walks in now. Ritik having a word with Shabir Rishi there. And Shabir Rishi is leading the side today. And tonight, well, that's going to be bang bang. Well, we remember that day. If the two big teams, 2 cricketing giants, make it to the finals, oh yes, that's going to be a superb night, and that's going to be the night of our lifetime. 78 needed, 35 balls. Nag and company back into this one, seriously back. Shabir Rishi walks in now. They are 7 down. He walks in at number 9. Nag is delighted. So is the company. This is Khyber Red Premier League Season 1, match number 9 underway. Right on top, Royal Goodwill. Serious comeback. And they're seriously back into this one. And we have with us an angel here. Girl child of Nag. Look at beautiful baby. Oh, clean it up. Knocked him over. And the middle pole is uprooted. Short pause in the game, and that brings new lad to bat. MashaAllah. And baby girl here. And it's so the equation is 70 of 35 balls. Runs, they require 70. Number of balls remaining 35. It's going to be Roop Bashir to continue. Roof 1.1, 1 for 6. He's among the wickets here. Roop to newcomer. Shabir Rishi riding on the bounce. Guided it, but Vijan is there to stop the ball and limits the scoring down to nil. He's at backward a point there. Stops the ball and limits the scoring down to nil. 7 for 7 after 14.2. 77 on the board. Roof again to Shabir Rishi. Wanted to pull it, unable to connect. Look at that one. It was asking to be hit. It was in the zone. You can see that again. But he was unable to put it away. And there was steep bounce and off cranking. 77 for 7. Take a look again. We got split screen. Look at Akimir. Driven. Good looking shot. Should beat the man. It does. Earn him a boundary. Quality shot from Shabir Rishi. 81 for 7 now. They are still 70 behind. More than 70 behind. But take a look again now. Cover drive. Glorious and great shot. Superb timing. And in the gap to find a scap on offside. Wonderful shot. Timing was perfect there. And it goes in the gap and all the way for 4. Shabir Rishi is ready to face the next man. Roof banged in shot wide of the off. Wide signalled by umpire Haris Raza. One more run added to the tally. There is addition to the tally. It's 82 now. 1 for the over signalled. And talking of Mansoor Aziz, he will join us from tomorrow. And look at Cabaret Premier League. Dil Se Banao, Jord, and it's that bond going continuous. 73 of 32 balls, plays it back along, giving respect to this one. Lot of respect there. Plays it back to the ball and no run there. 31 balls, 73 away. Who would have thought that at one stage they were having 9 in kitty, 9 in the dugout, and they were going all guns blazing. But that's what cricket is all about. The game of glorious uncertainties.
अगली गेंद और इस बार अच्छी गेंद थे रऊफ बशीर के, सीधे विकेट कीपर के पास चले गए और शब्बीर ऋषि और साकिब ऋषि ये जोड़ी सभा पेश मैदान में 5-5 गेंदें दोनों बल्लेबाजों ने खेली है। शब्बीर ऋषि ने 4 बनाए हैं और साकिब ऋषि ने 2 रन बनाए हैं। रऊफ बशीर 2 ओवर 11 रन 1 विकेट, 15 पूरे 82 7 विकेट के नुकसान पे 30 गेंदें बचे हैं और 30 गेंदों से जीत के लिए 73 चाहिए।
It's going beyond the reach of Srinagar Sultans. At one stage, they were holding, they were gripping the match. Suddenly, Akimir comes with a terrific spell and Asif Rasool joined him there. And the two stalwarts of Royal Goodwill pull things back for the team, for the respected club. It's 82 for 7 now. The 73 needed from 30 balls. And it will be Saqib on strike. It's time for Ishtaq Rasool to come and operate again. His first over gone for 16. And here he goes one more time to Saqib, and Saqib on the back foot provides the full bat face and gets a single. Easily taken, and the single will bring Shabir Rishi back on strike. The singles, they're not going to. And now here is a time for Royal Goodwill. The way they were beaten yesterday, they need to capitalize, they need to maximize that net run rate. And tonight, they have got the chance. 72 still behind, and they need 3 wickets. If they win this, appeal and umpire is unmoved. If they win this one with a margin of 50, they are going to get that gap closed, get that gap down in run rate. And Ishtaq Rasool and Akimir and Asif Rasool, they will be aware about that fact. It's 84 for 7 in over number 16. Ishtaq Rasool bowling the second over of his spell. 17 runs and no wicket. Saqib Rishi on strike. Here goes Rasool one more time. And Saqib plays it away onto the offside. Good looking shot this one and picks up a boundary. 4 more runs. Good shot this from Saqib Rishi. Quality. Driven handsomely through the covers. Picks up a boundary. Much needed one, but they need plenty of these. He just chucked his dive. He chucked it and finds the boundary. 4 more runs. And score goes to 88. Now it's 7 wickets down. We are in over number 16. 27 balls, 67 needed. And they have a lot of work to do. Next ball, full toss. And driven again, but this time there is a fielder and he misses it. Finds the fans one more time. Saqib Rishi with 2 back-to-back boundaries. 2 balls and 2 boundaries, but they need plenty of these. Ishtaq Rasool, cross-seam delivery it was. Full toss. Fielder was there, but he made a mess of it. It's Ritik Singh, the safest fielder, the quickest fielder, but he has done a blunder. 92 for 7 now. Here is Ishtaq again to Saqib Rishi, and Saqib drives this one but finds the fielder no one there. Saqib needs to bat freely. He needs to go for the big shots. It's 25 to Ishtaq Rasool. 1.5 overs. Last ball of over number 16. Balls to Saqib, and Saqib plays that one onto the onside and gets a single there. One more run, and the single will bring end to the over number 16. It's 97 for 7. Now they need 62 from the remaining 24 balls.
93 पे 7 16 पूरे 15.50 प्रति ओवर के हिसाब से 10 से 12 साकिब रेशी और शब्बीर रेशी ने 4 बनाया है 6 गेंदों से। इश्तियाक रसूल 2 ओवर 26 रन। पहले ओवर में 16, इस ओवर से 10 रन आए। 24 गेंदों से 62 चाहिए जीत के लिए और 3 विकेट अभी भी सुरक्षित है वहां पर। क्या यहां से चमत्कार हो पाएगा, ये देखने वाली बात होगी कि आसान परिस्थितियां नहीं है। 24 गेंदों से 62 रन बनाने हैं इस मुकाबले को जीतने के लिए रॉयल गुडविल के विरुद्ध श्रीनगर सुल्तान्स की टीम को। 5.81 प्रति ओवर के हिसाब से अब तक रन बनाए हैं और अंतिम 4 ओवर का खेल बचा है और गेंदबाजी का दायित्व एक बार फिर देखना होगा क्या ऋतिक को लेकर के आए हैं। और इससे पूर्व अगर उनकी गेंदबाजी का विश्लेषण देखें तो उन्होंने अब तक इससे पूर्व 2 ओवर की समाप्ति गेंदबाजी की है। यहां विकेट कीपर से भी चूक, हालांकि पीछे खिलाड़ी आए, कुछ अजीब प्रकार का स्ट्रोक खेलने का प्रयास किया था। हालांकि 1 रन तो जरूर मिला और 1 रन के साथ रन संख्या 94, 7 विकेट के नुकसान पे ये गेंद। और इस बार स्कूप करना चाहते थे और पूरी तरह से वहां पर जमीन पर लेट गए बल्लेबाज और ऐसे में रन तो 1 जरूर मिला। 94 पे 7 ये गेंद अच्छी गेंद थी, वापस खेला बॉलर की दिशा में। वहां शब्बीर रेशी ने 4 पे नवाजा, 7 गेंदों से 61 चाहिए, 22 गेंदों का बाकी। ऋतिक सिंह 2.2 ओवर 10 रन। विकेट उन्हें मिला नहीं है लेकिन गेंदबाजी बढ़िया की है उन्होंने और इस बार हल्के हाथों के साथ उसको प्लेस जरूर किया था लेकिन वहां पीछे खिलाड़ी तैनात थे, उन्होंने गेंद को फील्ड कर लिया। एक बार फिर रन नहीं मिलेगा और अब जाकर के कहीं ना कहीं कहना चाहिए कि मुश्किल से मुश्किल परिस्थितियां होती हुई यहां हवा में लड़ाई गेंद। रन संख्या में इजाफा हुआ नहीं। 94 पे 7, 16.4 के बाद 20 गेंदें 61 रन 18.30 ये आस्किंग रेट है। ऋतिक की ये गेंद और वापस खेला जरूर, हालांकि वहां पहुंचने का प्रयास गेंद तक किया जरूर था, पहुंच पाए नहीं। 1 रन तो चहलकदमी करते दोनों बल्लेबाजों ने पूरा कर लिया। 95 रन संख्या पहुंचाई श्रीनगर सुल्तान्स की 7 विकेट के नुकसान पे। 60 रनों की आवश्यकता और 19 गेंदें अभी भी शेष हैं और यहां आखिरी गेंद पर रन मिला नहीं। ओवर समाप्त हुआ 17 पूरे 95 पे 7, 18 गेंदें 60 चाहिए जीत के लिए।
3 overs remaining. They are still 60 runs behind. It's beyond their imagination now. They have only 3 wickets in kitty, but the asking rate is the concern at 20 each over. I don't think it's possible, and look at the crowd, bystanders are shouting. It isn't Barmy Army in the middle, it's Royal Goodwill Army in the middle. Look at the crowd shouting slogans in favor of Nag and company. And it's 17.1 done, 95 for 7. Nag in his third over. 2.1 none for 26. He's first over went for 16, second for 10. He's back for the third here. Goes and bows to Shabir Rishi and he goes hard at it, backs away, puts it away in style, hit hard. Neil is down on one knee and a quality shot, inside out he goes, Connectus, belted and collects a boundary. Take a look again, oh, quality cover drive, back away, Neil is down one knee, in a slash and in a flash all the way for 4. It's 99 for 7. Next one, cut away again, but straight to fielder there. And with that, it's 99 on the board for the loss of 7. Halfway mark in over number 18. 15 balls, 56 runs away. Team Srinagar Sultanas. Oh, just past to the stumpers there. Mr. Baviska, a dot ball. So close yet so far. He survives. K. 99 for 7.
99 पे 7, 56 चाहिए, 14 गेंदें और इस ओवर में 4 और नाग गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं। 30 रन उन्हें खर्चे हैं और इस बार पैर पे टकराई लेग साइड में और फाइन गेंद सीमा रेखा से बाहर और यहां 100 रन पूरे होते हुए 103, 7 विकेट के नुकसान पर चौका मिला। ना की ये गेंद, हालांकि लेग स्टंप की ओर। और इस बार चौका शबीर रेशी को अथवा साकिब रेशी को ये देखना होगा, लेकिन चौका तो जरूर मिला है शबीर रेशी के खाते में। वो 9-15 गेंदों से लेग बाय का इशारा। और ओके 17.5 और आखिरी गेंद पर यहां रन नहीं मिला। ओवर समाप्त हुआ 18 पूरे 103 पे 7, 12 गेंदों से 52 चाहिए।
52 needed from 12 balls, which means they need 4 sixes per over. And the last 2 balls, remaining balls, should go for singles. Almost impossible now, near impossible, dead impossible for Srinagar Sultans to win this one. At one stage, they were all over Royal Goodwill, but look at now. And these are the signs of the great players. We're talking about Asif Rasool, the way he bowled, the way he pulled things back. He's an incredible, and he's a champion player. And then there was skipper one more time, Akif Mir, with that incredible spell, and got Royal Goodwill back in the game. And look at now, it's 52 needed from 12. Vijan Panchal to bowl the penalty mid one, Saqib on strike. 52 needed from 12 balls. Here's the ball number 1. And he's still going defensive. I don't think what is going in his mind. I think he's enjoying his time in Red Premier League. And he has that idea that we are already in a losing verdict, and he know that I am going to enjoy. Now goes for the big shot, but won't medal it. Gets it straight down towards the long off region. There is a failure. Asif Rasool is there, and he sends in a return. 1 run, and the single will bring Shabir Rishi back on strike. 104 on the board with 7 wickets down. 10 balls, 51 needed. It means they need 6 from every ball. Next ball, and Shabir plays it away onto the offside. Failed there. It's Ishaq Rasool. No run there. 9 balls, 51 needed. This pool comes to an end on 24th. Then there is one more match between Srinagar Sultans and Valley Fresh that is scheduled on 28th of September. One match. And we have the next pool match in between. This time launch tip in the air. Fielder settling underneath and taken. Wicket number 8 goes down. Vijan Panchal has a second. Shabir Rishi departs. His miserable outing comes to an end. And he is now walking back to the pavilion. The skipper of the side is going back to the hut. Wicket number 8 comes down. Royal Elegant, Royal Goodwill, they are formality away to emerge as victorious in this encounter. And Srinagar Sultans, they are on a way to lose their second one. It's Nasir Kumar finally with a catch. And Vijan Panchal has one more there.
यह विकेट हालांकि काफी ऊपर हवा में लहराई थी गेंद, और उसके बाद संतुलित होते हुए अंततः यह कैच नासिर बशीर ने लपका। एक और विकेट, और एक विकेट के साथ ही 8वां विकेट का बात दिया। 104 पे 18.4 ओवर की गेंदबाजी के बाद 2 गेंदें इस ओवर की, 8 गेंदों से 51, और आखिरी औपचारिकता बची है। सुहेब नए बल्लेबाज और साकिब रेशी 14 पे। विजन पंचाल चले, ये गेंद इस बार फिर हवा में है गेंद, लेकिन उस ओर खिलाड़ी है नहीं, और गेंद सीमा रेखा से बाहर निकल गई। चौका मिला 108 पे 8। श्रीनगर सुल्तान्स की टीम अब धीरे धीरे से हार की कगार पर, क्योंकि यहां से आसान परिस्थिति तो है नहीं। आखिरी औपचारिकताएं बची हैं, क्योंकि 7 के 247 रन बने हैं, बना रहे हैं। और यहां विकेट, एक और सुहेब को चलता किया 9वां विकेट, और अंतिम ओवर यानी कि 6 गेंदों से 47 चाहिए जीत के लिए।
47 needed of 6 balls. It's down to the final over now. Vijan knocked him over. It's Sohaib to walk back. Well, take a look again. Stomachs rattle it. We are going to be in over number 20 now. 108 for 9. And this is what cricket is all about. At one stage they were going all guns blazing. They were going strong. They were in complete control of chase. But in the middle overs, they lost the plot. and they're 9 down, on verge of losing this one. It's going to be their second loss of the tournament or in the tournament. And may I remind you, tomorrow we have 2 big games coming your way. Join us again from 3:30 onwards for all the excitement and the fun. Tomorrow we may have new one in the combox. It's going to Mansoor Aziz to join us. Hit hard. Is it in the gap? No, there is a man stationed. It's Vijan who does mop up. 5 balls, 47 away. First ball, no run there. Who decided against a single. Nag, once again. This one, has that done the distance? Yes, it has. On to the rooftop. 6 more. Just Bukhara 6. Big shot this. Launched. Oh, watch that again. I think that's the reason he decided again a single there. Take a look again. Oh, quality blow from Saqib Rishi. He is capable, but unable to fire today. He's on to 20 of 16, but his team needed something special. Oh, that's it. They are bundled out on 114. It's 10 down, and Royal Goodwill won this by 40 runs. And it's Nag among the wickets. Another great performance from Nag. He stands out there. I think it's going to be again man of the match for today's match. Hero of the match. The way he batted today like a champion. With the ball turning the tide is sideway again. Well, a short pause. Let me take you through the match summary. Stay with us. It's Khyber at Premier League.
कहानी तो देख ही रहे हैं आप, श्रीनगर सुल्तान्स वर्सेस रॉयल गुडविल क्रिकेट क्लब। एंड जिस तरह से कहानियां आज हो रही थी, शायद जम नहीं पाए यहाँ श्रीनगर सुल्तान्स ने। जिस तरह से शुरुआत की थी, यूं लग रहा था कि कुछ ही देर में ये मैच को अपने नाम करेंगे, लेकिन क्या करें, आज तो कहानियां चल ही रही हैं लाइव। कंग्रेचुलेशंस।
थैंक यू भैया, थैंक यू,
बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो।
बिल्कुल भैया, पर मैं चाहता था कि मैं आपसे बात कर पाऊँ, क्योंकि ये टूर्नामेंट आप इतना बड़ा ऑर्गेनाइज करा रहे हो, तो मैं भी चाहता हूँ कि आपके दिल के हाल कैसे हैं, इतना बड़ा टूर्नामेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करा रहे हैं।
अरे वाह, कोई हमसे पूछ रहा है। बहुत बढ़िया, जबरदस्त एक्सपीरियंस है। वी आर लविंग इट। एंड देखिए, बहुत मुश्किल है क्योंकि छोटी टीम इतना बड़ा ये ऑर्गेनाइज कर रही है, एंड वी आर लविंग इट। पर आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो, बड़ी बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। और यहाँ इश्तियाक रसूल अपने अपने अंदाज में, ब्रो बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो आपको, कंग्रेचुलेशन।
थैंक यू भाई।
और आज की जीत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि आपकी गुड़िया भी आपके साथ है। तो कैसा महसूस हो रहा है बॉस?
भाई काफ़ी अच्छी फीलिंग आ रही, क्योंकि पहले तो 4-5 ओवर में लग रहा था कि मैच हार जाएंगे, लेकिन बॉलरों ने अच्छी जगह बॉल डाली और 1-2 विकेट गिर गए ऊपर से। अब लग रहा है 50 रन शायद मैच जीत गए। पहले लग रहा था 15-16 ओवर मैच खत्म हो जाएगा।
एंड इश्तियाक रसूल मैन ऑफ द मैच। एंड जाकर के प्लीज रिसीव करें, एंजॉय करें। ये मोमेंट्स आपके हैं, आपके नाम। ये सारा जो आज माहौल है उन तमाम दोस्तों का है जिन्होंने